Flick Shake 3.8 inches. Light Texas 3. Nice one. Hi, I'm angler Waki, a Japanese fishing enthusiast based in the United States. If you're a beginner, you might have had trouble catching bass with a Texas rig, even though it's one of the most basic setups out there. It can be especially tricky when using a simple straight worm. A lot of people aren't sure how to give it the right action. Let's go over the basics of the rig. For a Texas rig, we'll need a line, a weight, a hook, and a plastic worm. When fishing around cover, pegging the weight can help, but it's optional. Another optional setup is adding a plastic bead between the weight and the hook. That bead helps protect the knot from damage. I usually add it when I'm fishing a heavy cover. For fishing line, I recommend bladed line or fluorocarbon. Both are great choices for this setup. Alright, now let me show you some fishing footage and explain the key points that can help you catch more fish. Flick Shake, like Texas rig. There are two main bite chances when fishing a Texas rig with a straight worm. The first is right after the cast, when the lure touches down on the bottom. The second is when we let the worm sit still on the bottom for a moment. Bass often bite during these pauses, so don't rush the retrieve. This is the most important thing that what I want to tell in this video. Don't rush the retrieve. Then we can catch fish. Okay. Shake. Shake. Right, Texas. Oh, nice fight. Nice. Oh, this is nice one. No. Okay. Big shake. Right, Texas rig. Be free, Texas. Wow. Oh, good one. Yep. Nice hooking. Wow. Very nice. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Yes. Okay, the first bite came on the initial fall, right after the lure touched the bottom. When we get a bite at the moment, we need to quickly reel in the slack and set the hook. That's why a high-speed gear ratio reel is recommended.
Okay. Okay, not bad. Okay. Flick shake. Right. Texas rig. Wow, nice hooking. Nice hooking. Very nice hooking. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye. Ooh. Yes. Right, Texas rig.
On that day, I used a shaking drag instead of a slow straight drag along the bottom. It worked, but the primary drive technique for this rig is still a slow straight drag. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is reeling in too fast. Again, the key is don't rush the retrieve.
Okay. Okay. Like Texas. Nice fight. Wow. Yeah, big bass. Followed. This guy. Yes. Flick shake. Right, Texas rig. Okay. Thank you. Bye. Yes.
Okay, the Texas rig is a basic technique that works in almost any situation. Pairing it with a straight worm is one of the core methods in bass fishing. These days, there are many modern rigs out there, but I strongly recommend mastering this classic setup. It teaches us the fundamental skills and feel that are essential for becoming a better bass angler. Thank you for watching! If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up! Share this video with your friends and community. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. More to come! See you in the next video! Bye bye!